So, I'm here today kay
Correct.
I wanted a new look for 2024.
Okay.
Since I'm so done with this style.
Correct.
So,
So,
mag-new look ta ha?
So, kung new look, permite ba kuan?
Yes, permite me
Long hair.
long hair,
Layers.
curl, and then straight.
Correct.
So, we got tired of this color as well. So, I'll trust Kuya Michael's hand. Siya na'y bahala.
So, akong buhaton is bob cut, pero long bob, no?
Okay.
Mag-long bob lang ta.
Sige.
Tapos, one length lang yun.
Okay.
Although, baga magagbuhok, butangan na lang natog layers gamay.
Okay.
Tapos, sa imong highlights is more on face framing. Tapos, ang imong base, medyo mag-dark lang tagamay ani
Okay.
para mag-pop tong imong
Yes, highlight.
highlights. Okay?
Even though